Now, we've got, I love that GIF. That's an animated GIF. We've got all these different ways to message, including Facebook messages with animated GIFs. You know, I'm talking about how do you project your personality and likability online? Funny GIFs is one of those ways. I got shorted a burrito at Taco Bell. So I went on Twitter. I said, hey, they shorted me a burrito. They said, here, Brian, go here. We'll give you 2 free burritos. I said, Taco Bell, you're the best. Taco Bell said, no, Brian, you're the best. That's just phase 1, right? Customer service. Next, shared activities, right? So I said, hey, Taco Bell, what are you doing? Oh, nothing, you? Nothing. Hey, you want to go make fun of people at the mall? Yeah. So we did. We went to the mall, we got these great photos together. We had a great time. It was awesome.
I am so excited to introduce our keynote speaker. Brian Carter is a popular speaker and the #1 best-selling author that you've probably seen on Bloomberg TV. His 18 years of business success guide the Carter Group. He's taught over 50,000 students, has more than 150,000 fans, and reached more than 3 million people last year alone.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Right on. Here's an old guy probably shouldn't be using Twitter. This is Senator Chuck Grassley from Iowa. This is one of his real tweets. It's just a number sign. Good job, Chuck. You want to see another one from Senator Chuck Grassley? Here we go. Capital letter P. Awesome. But he is getting 1,100 retweets. That's good, right? That's a good metric. Not really, because people are going like, look at this guy. He does not know what he's doing. Yep. So the point is, if you guys want to do a good job at social media, you have to have somebody in your company that says, I'm going to be the social media person. It doesn't have to be you, but someone has to take point on social media and get trained or work with an agency or somebody that knows what they're doing. Then we're hanging out with my grandma, who's 103 years old, still lives on her own. She's pretty amazing. And we told her that story. My dad was there too, and I told her the story, and I told my grandma, I said, but people really do laugh at my jokes. And she turned to me and she said, people do stupid things. You're like, thanks, Grandma. This is our dog, Brad Pitt. We named him that because he was so good looking. Like, I personally don't think we should teach dogs to shake hands because they have no idea what they're agreeing to, right? Like, my dog's car payment is ridiculous. You know, sometimes dogs make emotional decisions. Human beings make emotional decisions. You can't outsmart emotion. If you've ever been in an argument with your significant other and you know you're right, you have all the logic in the world on your side, you've never been more right, but they're crying, who wins? They do. You can't outsmart emotion, right? All right, we know that Facebook is slightly bigger than Google right now in terms of page views, right? Twitter and LinkedIn, much smaller, much less popular. That means if Facebook was Vin Diesel and Google were The Rock, then Twitter would be Mini-Me, and LinkedIn would be Dwight Schrute.